Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, you are going to, of course, need your social studies notebook. You're going to have a sheet, the title. We need a pencil. I'm going to use a pen. We need blue, bright green, a red or orange, a pinky color, a dark green, and a yellow. You can use crayons or you can use colored pencils. Okay, either way. Alright, so remember, you're going to write in pencil. I'm writing in pen. And you will also need your glue. Okay, so let's turn over. And we are going to go to page 6, which is the back of our territory pages. So remember, you're going to put your date, and it is page 6. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is very lightly, remember, you don't want so much that you can't write on it, very lightly glue down the paper. And this one is going to have to go way at the bottom so that it will fit. Then we're going to take our title and we're going to put that up at the top. Okay, that's all the glue you need. Remember, don't use too much. Alright, now we're going to start down here on the map, and this is where we're going to use our crayons or our colored pencils. Okay, today we're going to look at a few areas found in the United States. Okay, so we're going to start with our dark green, and we're going to make a squiggly line going all the way down here, and then across and at the edge of Texas. And then we're going to cut through the middle of Texas, and we're going to hit what would be the Mississippi River. Okay, and then up here we're going to cut down and halfway here, and again, oops, follow down. Okay, so all of this is going to be colored in your darker green. Alright, this area is called your Great Plains. Alright, so over here I'm going to make a box, and we're not going to use this area, so we're going to make a dark green box, and this area is going to be titled Great Plains. Okay. Then we're going to use our lighter green, and this is going to be the rest of Texas here. And then all the way over the tip of Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, Okay, so this section, we're going to put this part here. I'm going to leave a tiny bit of space there. And this part is going to be known as the Gulf Coastal Plains. Now, if we notice, they both have plains, right? So sometimes when we talk about Great Plains, it means this entire area, and it just stretches all the way down. Okay, but we call this the Gulf Coastal because this is the Gulf of Mexico here. So it's Gulf Coastal Plains, but we would consider all of this, we could consider all of this as well part of the Great Plains. Okay, now we're going to find our pink color, and we're going to do all of this area here. We'll cut through half of this here. And then it's going to go up, around, and then we're going to do the tops of these little spots here. Okay, and this doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, if you just have kind of the same area. So that area. Okay. Now we're going to go in between our greens here. Put this little pink. And this is going to be considered our central lowlands. Lowlands. Okay. And then I'm going to use my pencil. You can use a brown if you want. We're going to draw a mountain range all the way up in this area. It's just going to go all the way up into Maine. Okay. And maybe a couple more out here. Alright, now this mountain range, I'm going to put here, is called the Appalachian Mountains. And that's the abbreviation for mountains. MTNS. We're going to take our orange, and right next to the mountains, okay, we're just going to put a strip. Now this strip is considered the Piedmont. Alright, and then we have one area left, and we're going to use the yellow. and that is for the rest of our map over here. So all the way down our east coast, or our Atlantic coast. Okay. And then our yellow is going to be what we call the Atlantic coastal plain. Okay. And it's called that because we have the Atlantic Ocean. Now we also have the blue, and that we're just going to go and color in a little bit over here just to show our Great Lakes. Okay. And then these are the Great Lakes. Alright, now it's time to fill in some information about our areas. Okay. Remember, pause if you need. Alright, we're going to look at the location column first, and then we'll go into the other information. So, the Atlantic coastal plain, which was our yellow, and I'm going to color this yellow. Okay, is a lowland area among the Atlantic coast. Okay. Now our Appalachian Mountains was our pencils, so I'm going to draw just our little key. These were west of the Atlantic coastal plains. Okay, now our Gulf coastal plain was our bright green. These are lowland areas located along the Gulf of Mexico. Okay, central lowlands was our pink. This is west of the Appalachian Mountains. Remember, if I'm writing too fast, go ahead and pause and copy this down. All right, last one is the Great Plains, which was our darker green. And our location was west of the Mississippi River. And then our elevation, or how tall it is, rises going west. It starts low and it goes up like a mountain, just kind of like a hill, just goes up. Okay, now for other information, this one is found in the northeast. We have thick soil, and rocky. And then we have the part that is called the Piedmont, and that is just a flat area on the east side of the Appalachian Mountains. Okay, the Appalachian Mountains run from eastern Canada to Alabama, it is the separating the East Coast from the Midwest, and it is made up of several mountain ranges. Okay, remember, pause and copy. Right, our Gulf Coastal Plain is wider than the Atlantic Coastal Plain. Soil's richer. And excellent for farming. And we're going to put cotton right here. Okay, our central lowlands, which is all these areas right here, we have grassy hills, rolling flatlands, thick forests, and we have rich farmlands. We also have important waterways. And this is because they touch the Great Lakes. And also because of the Mississippi River, which we could go ahead and label. Right there. Okay, so Mississippi River. Alright, and our last one, Great Plains. We have prairies, flat, rolling land is covered in grass. Okay, that's all this area here. Okay, we have rich resources, and here we are going to find things such as coal, oil, and natural gas. All right, so we have looked at some areas. Make sure you have it all. See you next time.